Hi everyone, my name is Ashley Woodle. I live in Clovis, California. I'm new to California. I live here about a year now, and I'm currently teaching secondary education. I teach high school and autism class, currently with 6 students, and I've been teaching special ed for, I think this is my 8th year now. Something I'm most proud of learning this far in the program is about the evidence-based practices, because I actually never knew that they were called evidence-based practices, but it's nice to know that the things that I learned to do throughout my course of teaching are working because there is research to support them. While I did know that social narratives and communication devices and reinforcement and prompting, I knew the research behind them. I didn't really understand that they were called evidence-based practices, and I didn't have the language surrounding that. So it's nice to know that what I've been doing is effective for a reason. And something that's on my bucket list that I'd like to do within the next 5 years is to go to Italy. Thank you.